привет! Сегодня мы будем делать проект, который у вас виден на экранах. Здесь, как мы видим, книги разные. Нажимаем на одну книгу. В каждой книге есть такие вот description, да? Здесь карты, но мы пишем, если мы здесь нажимаем на кнопки, то у нас делается it does like it adds this kind of products in the rental card, in the like current card. Also here, as we can see, when you were adding the same book, you are having like the quantity of this book is adding like one by one, not like the column. So we should do like this. Then by pressing this button, we like it deletes. So I think we're going to start. Let's write index.html and take these images. It's gonna be easier. So start here. First, let's start with header. Here we have booknet. And here we have nav. Home. About cart. Let's give a class cart. Then let's style it. Margin 0, then box size and color box. Here, as you can see, is by default all of these styles. So let's continue with header. Let's style it with display flex at first, and then like this. I think we don't need this one. So here, align items center, and let's give enough display flex. Just for contents between, gap between nubs. Color, to make it more visible, we'll give a white, and background color, as you can see, is black. So here, padding 20 pixels, I think is enough. Yes, it's perfect. So here for now, let's give cursor pointer to here. Then let's do main part. The main part here. Oh my god. Let's do main body. As you can see here, we have like this boxes, a lot of boxes. Let's do one box and do the same with all of this. So here we are creating one box inside the one main container that called main. here we adding image source, images, first book. Then we are adding text. It is, let's delete this. The name. Then paragraph. Then button. Button, let's give a class. Then print. So here the size of this image is too big, too small, a little. I think it's gonna be a very good. So main display grid template columns, repeat one with one footer. Padding, let's do 10 pixels. Then let's give a style for box. Display flex direction column. Let's give a gap. 7 pixels. Line out extender. Is it button? Text line center? No. Start. Width still 100%. Let's give no. I think it isn't gonna be a very good one. So here we're doing gap. And Azat, o şiri çalışmayken biliyorduk ya bu. Пока я сөйлейбер.
Ана жақта негізі мен бірінші жазған 13-43-те ше. Әпкеге әпкеге дауысам бола ма деп я деген да ол. И потом ана кім еді? Бажан әпкеге айтқанда я деп. 4, 5, 17 бірдеңеде жазған да. И потом ол ұйықтаймын дейді да. Сол бөлмелеріне алсаңдар шығылмады.
So let's continue, guys. Here display flex. I think here we should give the widths because yeah, we should. So let's give a gap a little bit. Let's do 6. Yeah, that's pretty good. Then let's add another type of books. Right. Oh my god. Sure. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. I think it's gonna be a norm. So let's do here card. Card. List. Explain on. Then what we should do here, background color is skip. Brown, but let's give 20. Height of the. Then let's do here script. Document query selector. Card, at event listener. So here our discard is regular and is working. So let's give a padding. Border none. Border radius 9. Top. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you. So here I think it's gonna be like very beautiful. And let's give it top a little bit. I think it's gonna be 16, 8. Yeah, perfect. Right. Can we give like this? I think 4 is gonna be Yes. Then let's give a color black for fonts. Then here we should connect the inner HTML here with when we press here. First let's give a style for button. Background color black, color white, border none, border radius, pixels, rate to 20 pixels. No, I think it's gonna look very beautiful. Let's give opacity 9%, and when hover over this button, let's do opacity 60%. Yes, very beautiful. Then when we hover over yes, very good. Let's here do media screen, next width, here what we can do, let's find one project here. Source, new, plus, here, burger, none. Display none, enough, display none. So here burger is working, cursor pointer. Yes, it's actually working. Give background color and let's take from here, write it and give a position of thought. Right. Color black. Yes, and let's give an index to this one. Set index to 0. A little bit. Actually. No. P. Actually, it looks like okay, but let's give padding top. Too much. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. So here, let's then do for the main container reflex. Reflex direction column. And let's do this current card. Mobile version. Still it's 100%. And then font size 6 pixels. On the right, maybe left. Let's give it a little width. Let's do this index. I think it looks pretty good. So let's continue with JavaScript by clicking this card rent. We should do first, as I understood, we should check all of this, have we there this cards here. So here I have written this kind of script in JavaScript. I took the name, like the random name, Knopki, it's buttons, and document query selector, all button. Don't mind. So here we should do like all of these buttons should work. So because of this, we should do a cycle. First things first, we are doing here checking have we these books here, as I understand. So here, let's look here, but I don't know. So here we have written this type of code. Here I've written this line of code where I want to say that I choose all buttons that have class name as a button, so I called them as a buttons for all of this button. Then we have to check here have we got this type of cards, type of button in this card maybe. So then after query selected all, we should use a cycle as I've done here. For let I we have written the cycle. Then each buttons I like each this box button when the user is click on this button, the function should work. So here in console we should check it, does it work or not. So as you can see, it works. So let's continue. So here I added a class name for book titles, H3s. So here as you know, we have cards. So let's take this card as adding cards, document query selector. This one we called card add. Then what we should do here, we should think to console, we should delete it, const new pack document create element p, so new pack inner HTML is equal to this. So as you know, here we are adding on the inner HTML paragraph only. So here we are doing like paragraphs. So here we should do like not selecting all the documents, selecting only in this card. So in our case it's card I, query selector, book title. What we have here. So here I have added this kind of line of code. Here const title, it's like in this card I what is selector H3 text content. Card I, it's the box. In the box we can change it like box. So here in card is adding, but we shouldn't do like this. We should like count if here, if we press to the one on the one bottom again, it should count as a we pressed on it twice. So here title is in the box, in each box I choose H3, and inside of H3 choose the text. In new paragraph in HTML we do like выведи нам текст, название этой книги, and at the end we like calling, so rented books, document selector.